Let's learn how to fix your WhatsApp backup stuck. So the first step you can do is to check if you have good internet connection. So you can do that by going to Wi-Fi settings and checking if everything is okay. Now you can click on info and uncheck low data mode so it can run in background. Now if it still doesn't work, you can try and reinstall your WhatsApp. So you need to go to General, iPhone storage, scroll down and find WhatsApp application, and here you just need to upload the app. Now if it still doesn't work, you can try by uploading it with your mobile data. So if it still doesn't work after that, you can force restart your phone. How you can force restart your phone is by clicking on down volume and holding it until it shut down, and you will continue to hold until Apple button, Apple logo appears. That way you know that you first restarted your phone and it should work after it. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.